How to change the Google Business Profile address to a new location. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to edit your Google Business Profile's address, here is what should be done. So without any ado, let's get started. First of all, head over to any of your preferred browser. Once that is done, you have to go to the business profile. To do so, tap on this tools icon and from there tap on Business Profile Manager. Tapping on it will sign in into your Google Business Profile. If you have multiple businesses, choose the business in which you want to change the location. Now you can see different options such as Edit Profile. Tap on it. Tap on the third tab for Location. This way you can change the business location. Tap on the Edit button or the pen-like icon, and from here you can change the street address, the town or city, postal code and such. Tap on the Adjust button in Map so that you can relocate your location. You can just move in the map and set it up to a new location or address that you want. Once you have changed the location in the map, make sure to tap on Done. After that, make sure to tap on Save button so that the new address or location is set or saved. Keep in mind this will take 10 minutes to be reviewed and then the edit is complete. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.